In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a line chart with 3 data series in Google Sheets using a simple and efficient method. Start by organizing your data properly. Keep your categories like months in the first column, then place your 3 data series in the next columns. For example, column A can be months and columns B, C and D can be your 3 different data sets. Now select your entire table, including the headers. Go to the top menu, click Insert, then choose Chart. Google Sheets will create a chart automatically. If it's not already a line chart, go to the chart editor on the right and change the chart type to line chart. Your 3 columns will automatically appear as 3 separate lines on the graph. Each line represents one data series, making it easy to compare trends side by side. If needed, you can customize colors, labels, and titles from the chart editor. That's it. Creating a line chart with 3 series in Google Sheets is quick once your data is structured correctly.